Well, I just had a big retarded moment. I like recorded like maybe a 5-minute video of me solving this thing like twice, and then talking about it. And then I realized I didn't hit the record button. Yeah, but it was Rubik's Cube. I solved it. I'll solve it again for you. The things I do for you guys could be studying for my final or something. These finals are here. High school we have this thing called finals and EOCs. I've done with my EOCs already. So all I have left is my finals. Political studies, math. I'm not taking my Spanish. I'm gonna forget that. Blah blah. I'm not here just to make you feel better. I'm scrambling. I can't possibly know what side to start spinning. I'm just gonna start spinning. Yeah, spin it for you. So twisting. I'm just looking off the screen. This is not any way a form of pattern that I've made or anything. It's just me doing it. So here goes me solving the Rubik's Cube. So I don't know. My teacher got me into solving these things. This year was the first time I've ever solved one. Actually, it was pretty cool. He let me borrow his Rubik's Cube every day, and I would walk around. And try to figure it out. I had to go online and get help, but I figured the most part out. I mean, I got 2 layers on my own. The top, the last phase was the hardest part, I don't know, I just kept on getting scared of messing up the rest, and, but, sure. I'm just ranting, guys, I haven't been uploaded the video in a while. I felt bad because I have a few subscribers that are just wasting their subscribe, By the way, if you see this video and you subscribe to me, don't remind you I've been making the videos. I'm gonna start making them again. Thanks to Cotton Off Kings, I stopped making videos. Not his YouTube name is Cotton Off Kings. Oh shit, that's too bad. Where was I going? I just dropped the Rubik's Cube and forgot where I was at. So that's what you get for not looking at the Rubik's Cube when you're doing it. Yeah, see, I done messed up. This is taking me way longer, and I'm not. I just finished the class, while taking notes or whatever. Right now, it's like taking forever. And it's probably because I'm making this video and I'm talking and shit, but I talk to people. I don't understand. I don't know. It's an old Rubik's Cube.
Yes, I believe I do. That's not nice. That's why it's a good insult. I mean, that's not nice to any people. You're right. I'm sorry.
Alright. Oh, boy. And it's just at the end anyway. No reason for me taking my time, Even though I still am, cause this shit's jamming like fuck. Oh, I think I just messed it up. No, I'm good. That's a Rubik Cube for you. I'll probably put my fastest time up here sometime. I don't know. Planning on getting Red Dead Redemption soon. Probably won't be seeing any of that. I don't have a video card or anything. But I'm just, you know. But sorry, I haven't been making any videos. You know. I'm gonna start that back up. Probably, I don't know, because my sister always has this computer because I got a new one and I don't have a camera anymore. So I'm gonna end this video off. If you wanna learn how to do these things, look it up. You can look it up through Google, YouTube, do whatever. I said Google in the middle, by the way. YouTube, Google, do whatever. Look it up. Figure out how to do it. And if you have one, go to Google. I don't know if I said this already. So I made 2 videos. I don't know. I'm like backtracking myself. Google Rubik's Cube, the one and only. It's really cool. Flash game. You can do the Rubik's Cube. And it's really cool. Look it up. Actually, I might even post a link in the info. Probably not, because I'm lazy. Probably won't even edit this. Peace, y'all. Peace, love, and bitches.